I am Kuldeep Kumar from ninth class, a newcomer in your school and college. We can say from Nawab Singh Gramodaya Inter College. Today I am here standing in front of all of you for giving a small speech, or it can be long also, as I prepared in my own words. So, first of all, I would like to say good morning to my respected principal and teachers, some seniors, beautiful juniors are sitting here, some seniors are here, and my classmates are also here. So, good morning, all of you. And let's start this speech. You all were thinking and you all were listening from so many days to your teachers that 26th of July, a Kargil day, Kargil war, something is going to be happen. A special assembly is there. Do you think what is going to be happen? I can give you guarantee that most of the people have not searched about it and they were waiting only. Whatever they going to happen, so they were waiting for that. Now let me tell you that Kargil, it is a place in Jammu and Kashmir where this war was held. On 3rd of 1999, the war was there, and it was continued till the 26th of July 1999. It was the day, and this day was known as the Kargil Day and Kargil conflict. We can say Kargil Victory Day. These are the names, and we are aware about it. So, when and where? Like 3rd July it has started, and 3rd May it has started, and 26th it has finished. And where? There was the place, as I told you, Jammu and Kashmir, there is a place, Kargil. You all can search on the Google map. And someone is fighting, country is fighting to a country. Why they are fighting? There can be reason. Without reason, who will fight? Your friend will not fight to you. If you don't have any reason of fighting, maybe the person wants something from you. And same here, Pakistan has a reason. Cause of the war, that they want to remove, there was a glacier, Siachen glacier. They want that India should not have this glacier and India should withdraw from this glacier. So it was there, and this was the reason also. And as there was the aim also that we want half of the Kashmir, half of the Kargil. Kargil was not the small place like a place, but it was a big place, like it was the whole district. There was everything. That's why the Pakistan was fighting against India. And now attack. India will not sit quiet if somebody will finger you and do something. So really you will react. Indian army is completely like us. They will not sit quiet if the person is saying something. Second country is saying something to our country and doing so many negative things. So attack happened by two ways. One was the Indian army, that was known as the Operation Vijay. I hope you all are aware about this. And second was Operation Safed Sagar. You know what is Operation Safed Sagar? There was one more way that India fired and India attacked. Indian Air Force was there. That was known as the Indian Safed Sagar. And when it happened, Kashmir was on the mountains, on the peaks. So like it was Kashmir, it is India. Indian army is attacking from the ground. They were attacking from the ground, and it is easy to win Pakistan because they are on the high place. If somebody is firing from upside and I am downside, really he will defeat me. There is no chance to win. But what Indian army did? Indian army choose the night place, night time, they have fired, they have attacked in the night only. And like this, 4th of July came, they were continuing fighting. And 4th of July came, India has captured Tiger Hill, Tololing, and there were many peaks which were not named, but they were considered as 0.4053, 0.5053. These were the names of other peaks, and this was the 4th of July. They have captured most of the things. Now we came on the government. You know who were the government there? Who were the prime ministers of both countries? Atal Bihari Vajpayee from India. He was the prime minister of those time. And from Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif was there. What Nawaz Sharif did? He went to US because US was helping to Nawaz Sharif to Pakistan to win this war. And what happened? He went. He said to the Prime Minister of US, "We want help. We want more troops. Now help us." And US has already given. They had already given so many troops. Troops, you know, soldiers. Okay. So they were saying that we want our, US said, we want our troops back, now give us back. So in the pressure of US, Pakistani Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif ordered that the whole army should be back on the 4th of July only. They gave that order, and the winning day, the most important day happened. On the 26th of July, India won whole war. And it was considered as the Kargil victory day, Kargil conflict, whatever you know in Hindi, Kargil Divas. People know about it. And Indian army is celebrating this day from that time only, 26th of July. And we all are celebrating now. Most of the Indians are celebrating Kargil day. And you know, if somebody is fighting, maybe the important role play of the people are there. So there were some people, I will took the names, they were the awardees of Paramveer Chakra. Manoj Kumar Pandey, you all can remember by one name, one person can remember one name only. So it will easy, you can ask to your peer and you all can remember these names. First was Manoj Kumar Pandey, second Vikram Batra, third Yogendra Singh, and fourth was Sanjay Kumar. These were the names. They were the leaders. They played an important role. How to attack, when to attack, what are the strategies the Indian army should use, like they were fighting in the night. Okay, and they were the awardees. Now I hope you all can remember this. Now 10th point and the last point, but not the least point. Some facts were there. US refused Pakistan. Why? Israel was helping to India. You know Israel, the most powerful country in this world nowadays. In top 10 we can say Israel is there. And it was helping in the UAVs, in the weapons, and why so many other things also. UAVs you all know. But I will ask, who know UAVs? Nobody will take hand like it. Nobody will. But let me tell you, UAV is a simple meaning drone. Now don't say that the drone we are using in the weddings to making videos. Drones are of different types also. Indian Army is using drones as a weapon by the aircraft we are fighting. We are firing. These are the drones. I hope you all got it. Second fact was there. US refused to India that we will not help you for the GPS for tracking someone and finding the locations of the checkpost. It was there. And then India decided that we will do something different. We will make our own GPS. So we cannot ask to other person that help us in this way. We will try our best. And on 16 October 2014, India launched the first GPS satellite. So it was all about me, all about the topic. I hope that I did not disturb you. I did not waste your 10 minutes or 7 minutes, whatever I spoke. But thank you so much that you all listened me very carefully. I hope I gave some knowledge to you, some important points I have told you. So forgive me if I did any type of mistake. It was the first time I am standing in front of people offline. I have given speeches online only, but now thank you so much everyone.